Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today we're going to be doing a review on Tarte's custom kit that is to my understanding, a one-day only thing a year that they do, and you get over $200 worth of products for $63, and that also included shipping for me at least. Mine came very quick, even though in the email it said it might be delayed from how many people order it, but mine came in literally 2 days, which is crazy. I've never got anything I've ever ordered in 2 days. Even like a lot of my 2-day shipping stuff with Amazon is not ever came in 2 days. So in my kit, okay, so you can tell that I'm partially made up because something just happened with my camera when I was filming up until now. So it wasn't my camera, I think it was like something with my memory card. Either way, I don't have that footage anymore, which is awesome. So I already have my foundation, concealer, and some eyeshadow on, but I'm going to show you what I used. So this was what I chose as a foundation. It is Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation, and it just comes in a little dropper form like this. And so far, my opinion on that is, first of all, I shade matched on their website and on another website called Foundation Finder so that I could cross-reference and try to get the best shade, because I don't normally get shades. I don't normally choose foundation online because you can get so mismatched. But I chose light medium sand because it was apparently the best match to other foundations I use, and it has a yellow undertone, and I feel like, if you can see, it matches very, very well, even the undertone and everything. And so in terms of the coverage with this, I feel like it is a light to medium coverage and is buildable, and I really like it so far. It feels nice on the skin. It's not tacky. The next product I used was the Clark, this is not called Clark, Tarte Clay Stick Waterproof Concealer in Light Sand, which again I shade matched this one to the foundation that I needed, and it just looks like this. And I have never used a stick concealer before, so because they are just notoriously like dry and whatnot, but I'm actually having like a lot of hormonal redness and some blemishes on my face, and you can't even see that right now because it has completely covered it up. So, and I did dot just a little dot of my, what's it called, Amazonian Clay blush in Quirky from Tarte on my face, and then I remembered that they gave me this blush sample, so I'm going to put that on top of that just to see what it looks like. And right now I just put a little, I used the Sex Kitten eyeliner also. That was one other product I chose, which you guys know is my holy grail black eyeliner. I used that to put on my waterline and tight line, and I actually put it on the top and smudged it. And then I used my Tartelette in Bloom, which was the palette I already had, and I just used the color Smoke Show, what is this one called, Jet Setter, and Activist, and smoked out my my upper and lower eyelid, and my eyebrows are just Benefit Ka-Brow. So what I'm gonna do is, because I look just a little bit washed out, I'm gonna do what I would normally do, and I did not set the concealer because I would not normally set it. I'm gonna take my Morphe bronzer in Debutante, and I'm going to contour just a little bit just to bring some warmth to my face, because this is just something I would normally do to fairly test out a foundation. So I want to see how it looks. Let me get my mirror. I want to see how it looks on my skin if I apply it as I normally would. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to treat it like I would treat any of my other foundations. And this is the places I like to contour. And I like to run just a little underneath. We gotta hide that chin, right? So just like that, bring it down just a little. And so far I really like the coverage, because I don't like super heavy foundation. I still like for it to look like skin, and I really feel like that's how this looks. I'm going to take just a little bit and tap it onto the sides of my nose. If you guys want a in-depth contouring tutorial, just say something in the comments and I'll be sure to do that. Because I normally just have that done when I get on here, because it just makes the tutorial go by much quicker. But I can give you actually full in-depth, full face one if that's something that you guys would like. So I'm going to take a blush brush and dip into this Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush Sample in Exposed. And I'm assuming I just rub my brush into it like that. And it's like a pretty mauve pink color, which I really like. It's very pretty. Never used a paper sample like this before. It's kind of weird. Just rubbing into it and building it up because I like blush. It's a very pretty color. I like that. I might end up buying that because it's a really pretty mauve pink, which if you've watched me, you know I like that color. I like mauve. So now, so far, I've showed you the concealer, the eyeliner, and the foundation. And the sponge I used is the sponge I did a review on, and I'll link that up here if you want to see that. But so far I'm still using and enjoying that sponge, and I don't feel like, even with that being a water foundation, I don't feel like this drank up, and I just washed it so I could see this is what it looks like. I don't feel like it soaked up very much of the product off my face. I feel like if I'd used my beauty blender, I feel like it might have sucked up some of the product. So the next product we're going to use is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. And this, I believe, and this is just in black, this I believe is like their best selling mascara. It comes in this like leathery filling package. And we are going to obviously curl our lashes first. Let's go ahead and do that. And I'm going to bring you guys in for this so we can see what it looks like together. I don't even know what the wand on this looks like, so we're about to find out together. Okay. Very weird. So, oh, it's like very comby. Like it feels like I'm using a comb on my eyelashes. Very separating. I didn't even know that's what this wand looked like this entire time. I've seen it so many times and I've almost bought it several times. The eyelash just got in my eye. Why does that happen? Oh, I am a mess. I just knocked that out of my hand. Huh. I've seen it so many times and just have almost got it over and over again and never went fully and got it. And the way they had this set up was you got to pick a category, something from the, what is in my eye? Something from the foundation category and something from the concealer category, I think. They didn't have Shape Tape on there though, but I wouldn't have got it anyways because I've just heard that it's, like, I've heard so many people talk about how dry it is, and I seriously hate dry concealer, so I don't even want to bother with it, honestly. And I know that it's, like, heavily raved about. I just don't feel like how it looks when I see people use it, that it's going to work for me. So when I saw, so like I said, they didn't have it on there anyways, but I probably wouldn't have gotten it. I'm just not crazy about dry formulas like that. So we're going to apply another coat like I would normally. So far I really like it. I feel like it has separated and lengthened my lashes. Can you see that? I feel like it's definitely lengthened and separated them. I don't know what the claims are for it because I didn't see it on the box. So I don't even know if it claims to do those things, but it definitely did. So let's see. I really like how this mascara, like the wand and the formula is. Now I think they had a waterproof of this, And hopefully they do this again next year, because if they do, I'm snatching that deal up again. So the next thing we're going to do is take my second to last product, which is Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Shade Shifting Lipstick in Pink Sand. And this packaging is so pretty. First of all, that's one of my favorite things about Tarte, is their packaging is beautiful. Also, they're really like economically, I don't know, they do a lot of stuff to be eco-friendly and environmentally conscious and help out the environment, which I really appreciate. But I really like that packaging. And this is that color. Holy cow, that's pretty. It's so pretty, especially with these lights shining on it. Wow, it really is shade shifting. Wow, it's such a pretty color though. It's like, let me zoom you in. It doesn't want to focus. See, it's like pink, but coral when you move. It's like a pink color, but then corally. It's very pretty. I really like it. And it doesn't feel dry. It feels nice and moisturizing. And the last product that I got is the Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. And I don't know if you have to shake this up, but I'm gonna zoom you guys wrong way. Back up. And it says on this little tag, Ready Set Radiant Refreshing Vegan Friendly Skin Mist, brightens, fortifies, soothes for a fresh face complexion. Glow-giving skin tonic is infused with antioxidant-packed cucumber and plant extracts, and it delivers a radiant, dewy finish for lit within luminosity. Lit from within, sorry. Hold it 8 to 10 inches away. We're alone to illuminate. Okay. Right. Well, that's what the little thingy said that was on it. So, oh, okay. That's pretty fine. I don't ever know what kind of mist is going to come out of these, so I like to just see. Oh, that smells like, I don't know, it smells so good. It smells like cucumbers and something else. I never hold it 8 to 10 inches away, by the way. I'm like this close doing it. 8 to 10 inches is like this, so I feel like I can't feel it. This mist is so fine that I don't think I could hold it that far away. Oh, it feels so good. It's so like refreshing. It has to be from the cucumber. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. I don't even have highlighter on and it looks like I do now because of that. That feels really pleasant. Like I imagine when the hotter that it gets, and it's already hot right now, I imagine the hotter that it gets, it's gonna feel really good using that. And if you carry it in your bag, wow, that really did just make me look really luminous. I really like how that looks. And after you spritz your face with any kind of Fix Plus skin mist, illuminating sprays, any place that you may have gotten like a droplet or two that is like big, you can just go in and do like that if you need to. Well, so far, I need to do a wear test on this, but so far I really like how everything turned out. I'm not surprised because everything I have from Tarte I have loved. But like I said, I think this is just one time a year that they do this. They had like 4 bags. I chose this one. And the only thing so far that I have to say as a complaint is this is the box that it came in. Like this, I tore my mailing thing off so you can't see it. I don't want y'all coming to my house. Not that you would. But so this is what the box looks like. They only literally, you can see the shininess from the light. They literally only had a strip of tape on this one side. So the package is was literally open on both sides like this. Yesterday it was raining like literally crazy all day. And so when the mail lady brought it up, the sides of the box were slightly warped from being wet, I guess from going in and out with this package, like transporting it or whatever. I don't know, but when she had brought it up, the box was like slightly open like this on both sides from where it was like warped from the rain, and you could just see straight into the box, and I was like, they could have used 2 more pieces of tape to hold that on there, you know. So I don't know if it's because they were in such a hurry to get those out, because like I said in my email notification, they said that it could be delayed because of like the volume of orders that they get, but I got it in 2 days. So I just feel like maybe that was just a mistake, them going really quickly. Hopefully so, because that just used 2 more pieces of tape, Tarte. Come on, 2 pieces of tape. That's 4. 2. But this is what it looks like now after I've let that skin mist sit. I feel like it looks really good. I'm really glad I got that foundation. They did have the face tape foundation, but I didn't want to get that because I felt like that's probably going to be drying like the Shape Tape apparently is. I just didn't want to get it. So this looked like something more up my alley because I'm not a full coverage girl. I am a, like, at most I want to be medium to full, but never full, because I just don't like how it looks on my skin. But I really like how this looks, and like I said, I feel like this is probably light to medium and buildable. So I feel like it looks really good. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know, did you get your own cart? Did you get your own cart? Did you get your own Tarte custom kit? Or have you participated in this before? Or will you next time if they still continue to do this? Or do you even have any of these products? I still smell that cucumber setting mist. It smells really good. I love cucumber. So let me know down in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Wherever I'm going to put it. I'm going to put it one here or here. Okay, I'll put it here. Subscribe to my channel and you won't miss any of my videos. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!